Introducing a barbecue like no other, the egg. The egg takes outdoor cooking to another level, perfect for entertaining, it's easy to use and expertly crafted, giving you mouth-watering, perfectly cooked results every time. Everything about it shouts quality, from its beautifully finished wooden shelves to the polished stainless steel base. It heats up much faster than a normal barbecue and uses less charcoal too, so you get around 80 hours of cooking time from a single bag. Add a few wood chips for an extra smoky flavour. The egg is so much more than just a grill. The temperature controls open up a world of outdoor cooking. From slow-cooked joints to seared steaks, you can even use it to bake bread. It has two vents, one on the top and one on the side. The more the vents are opened, the hotter the temperature gets. It's that simple. The built-in thermometer shows exactly what temperature you're cooking at. Too hot? Just close the vents a little. Need more heat? Open them up. Two shelves means there's plenty of space. Whilst cooking, keeping the egg closed traps in the heat, moisture and flavour for delicious results every time. And if you fancy a change, the egg includes a free pizza stone, so you can create authentic stone-baked pizzas. Now, all that's left is to sit back, relax, and enjoy the food.